Now I'm showing you the software SCR Pro for recording the screens from my mobile Galaxy Note 3 under software Jelly Bean 4.3 rooted device. This software is working just on rooted devices. So the problem, as I said before, we faced after we upgraded our mobile for Jelly Bean 4.3 or we going to KitKat software. The problem is the video recording software, so it's not working at all, but this is the only software I found that's working under 4.3 Jelly Bean. So that's why I came with this video to help all the people looking for this software or looking for a software to record the videos by the mobile, to record the screen. Alright, so now I'll show you the feature of this software. What I found is here you can see like a white dot. This is while you move your finger on the screen. If you see two dots, that means you see two fingers. Alright, you're using two fingers, so you see two white dots. As you can see here, I'll get the menu with two fingers and I get it with one finger. Alright, I see the quality of the screen is pretty nice, and even the sound is more clear. I record this video through the internal mic, so I don't use any external things, so I'm just using the internal mic. So let's do a test on, as example, the games. Let's go for the game to test the color and test the sound as well, even while I'm talking. Let's go for this game. This game is really nice. I advise everyone to try it, to give it a try. So while you recording, you can put the sound down or up as you wish. As you can see here, it's more loud. I can put it a little bit down so you can hear me as well. Let's test everything. First of all, let's open my account on Facebook for sure on the games, you know, nowadays. Alright, let's try it. I missed the first one. Let's take the second one. Back like this. I missed the second one. What a brilliant. I got just one. So guys, this game just I'm showing you about the color and the sounds of the SCR software. So let's go out for this game. Alright, and let's try another thing, just to play a song or MP3 file. Let's increase the sound. Let's take it forward. As you can see, the white dot is moving with me, so it's showing what I'm actually doing here. You can see, even if I pause and then play again. So I think I show you the features of the software, and you'll see how the quality is of the sound and of the colors. So I hope you're gonna enjoy this software. If you want the software, you're gonna find the link under this video. All I need from you, just if you like this video, give me a like and subscribe.